Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to latest version of Facebook Blaster Pro 3.0. So this is gonna be a complete tutorial video about this tool because we have changed its UI and everything, and we have added a lot of new functions. So this is gonna be a complete tutorial step by step. So let's get started without wasting much time on introduction. As you may already know, this software is providing you multiple features and everything is connected with all-in-one scraper. Here you can scrap your chat list like those people you have chatted with on Facebook or your Facebook friends, or you can scrap your page chats, or you can scrap those groups you have joined from this or any account that you're gonna select from here. And as well you can scrap here by adding here group id. There similar members. Similars are those like those have some mutual friends with your account, or like any kind of similarity they have with your Facebook account, those gonna be shown in here. Otherwise you can scrap all members. New members mean all members. You can scrap from that specific group. As well you can add here a post link and scrap likes and scrap comments. As well you can add here a keyword and scrap public groups or public pages. You can scrap business pages from here, and then you can retarget them. So for example, here we have one link. This is our target post that we want to scrap likes from. So for that I have to copy link in this way and put it here and click on scrap likes. It will open up a browser. We'll go to that specific post. We'll open likes for that post. And we'll start scraping those likes from here. So in all-in-one scraper, this list you will find their ID plus their name. So that all gonna be show here. So if you want to stop, it will keep you updating here that like how many total users it has extracted. For example, we have extracted 60 users here. So we can stop function now and it would be stopped automatically. As we have done with extracting post likes of our target post, now we would have these username or IDs of these people with their names in our this all-in-one scraper list. So if you want to remove any selected account, that you can remove from here, or if you want to clear all, you can click here, or you can export these into txt file, or later you can upload here. So like all those kind of stuff you can do here. Now once you're done with extracting these accounts, the usernames, you have two options here. First one is send messages. Like you can use multiple accounts to send messages to these people, or you can do comments on their posts. Like if they have any post in their timeline, you can upload your image here and put your text here, and you can start comment on their profile. It will go to their profile and comment on their first or second post. It is like as you will mention here. If you want to just comment on first post, you can add one. Otherwise if you add two, it will do on their two posts. So this was all about how you can extract usernames and target them via sending messages or doing comments on their profiles. So now let's go with a practical example of sending messages to them. And for that, first of all, we're gonna select our accounts we want to send from. You can select all, or you can select any specific accounts. So for now we're gonna go with select all accounts. So next step is to decide after how many messages your account should be rotated to second account. So as we have added here 4, it's mean it gonna send 4 from first account, 4 from second, 4 from third. So it will keep sending until our all usernames got covered. So next step is to choose delay time between from, like, as we have added 10 to 20 seconds. So it gonna pick a random time between them and will sleep for that much time. So it gonna be like a unique random delay time between each message. As well, we have here after sending to 5 accounts, as we have added here, you can add as many you want. It should be delay extra or sleep for 50 seconds as we have added, so you can change it according to your needs. Here you're gonna upload your image that you want to send as message to them, and here you're gonna add your text message. Boost your business. As we have added our message here, if you want to send unique message to your every user, you can use this Spinx type formula. Like, you can put these two brackets and different your messages with this symbol between them. So it will pick a random message between them. So it will create like every time a unique message. So it won't be detected as spamming same messages multiple times. So it is to avoid that. So for example, now we're gonna send this message to these people. I forgot to mention, if you want to send this message with their name, like you want to send a personalized message, then for first name you can use F name, for last name you can use L name, and for full name you can just put this name in this bracket and it would be automatic replaced with their user like their account name. So let's start sending these messages to these people. So before start, let's get into settings. Here you're gonna see, first of all, I'm using here stealth mode. It is for anti bypassing any kind of anti-bot detection. So this is for your account safety. So you should use this anyway to keep your accounts to not get detected that you are using any kind of automation. Second option we have here, double thread. If you want to uh, speed your messages 2x, like, as now we're gonna open it, gonna open one browser, but if we will check double thread, it will open two browser at a time and will work from them. So like it gonna be double speed of our campaign. Third option we have here to send messages. First one is like for default, if we won't check this, we will start sending messages. It will like open up their profile and send message. But if you will check this thing, then it will open direct messenger from Facebook and open their user ID in messenger and send message to them. So the better way is without this one. If you want to send messages to your friends, then this is a better option to use. Otherwise, don't use, just use the default one. So let's get started. As we have checked double thread, it opened two browsers. As you can see, initialize new browser for this account and for this account. It opened two user IDs, and as you can see, it upload our image, added our text, and it sent to them. Same from our second browser. So for stop anytime or any function, we have to click on stop function and it will close everything that is in running. So this was all about how you can send messages to your target users. Like you can add here any post link and scrap any your target post like, or those people comment on that post, or you can go with group ID and scrap members. Now I will show you how comments one will work. In here we gonna get use a example of extracting pages and commenting on their timeline posts, because user profiles and page profiles are same. So in that way we will test two functions. First one is search pages, second one is comment on their profile. So let's for example go with marketing pages. You can set up here location that you want to uh, get page businesses pages from. You can set up category here if you want, otherwise it will automatic start scraping pages IDs here. So for example we have collected here 25 page IDs. Now we want to comment on their posts. So whatever we want to tell them about our promotion or our promotion message, we could deliver to them. So for that, for example, we're gonna add one image. It's up to you if you just want to use image or just want to send text message. You can choose. I will choose anyway both to send test this functionality. Same way you can select your accounts, and here we have rotation between accounts, like how many pages IDs you want to comment from one profile, and then it should rotate to second and third. Here you can choose on each profile how many postresses should be commented. So as we have added here two, so like it gonna go to two page profiles and do comments on their top two postresses, like the recent one. Other things are same, like delay time and sleep mode, upload image, add text, and let's go with comment on posts. As you can see, it opened their first post, comments, and adding our text here. Same for this, upload our image, edit our text, and it upload our comment to this page. As you can see, now after a specific delay time, it will go for next. As you can see, at upload image, edit our text, and will comment on this post. So because we have added here per profile two comments, so it will go to each profile and comment on their top two posts, like the recent one, and then we'll go for next one. Same here, it comment on both posts, and as you can see, After this delay time, it will go to next page for commenting on it. So in the same way, it will keep moving to next and next posts and page profiles to do comments on until our all these page IDs those we have extracted got comments. So now I think it's enough. We should stop function because all we was needed to test once, and as you can see it is working totally fine. Let it comment on this profile as well, then we'll move to next. As you can see, after two posts after two comments, it changed profile to second profile, like it rotate account to another account. So here the same again, it changed the older account to new one, and we'll do comments from these two to two profiles, and then we'll again change. So it will keep trying until all our these comments pages got commented. Even if they have any reel post, it will do comment on that reel as well, as you can see. So let's stop it. Now the other option we have is to extract public groups, and we can do comments on their posts, and we can use group poster to post in those groups. So for that, again we have to add here a keyword and click on search public groups. In here report you will see like our comment reports as well, as we just sent comment, and you can see this comment has been successfully posted. If there would be any error, it will show here. So let's clear report for now. So when we will do comment or do posts in groups, that report will shown here. So for example, we have extracted here 41 group IDs, those all here. We have their ID, their name, how many group members they have, how many daily posts they are receiving from users. So that all data we have here. If you want to remove any, you can select and remove. It's up to you. So let's go with group poster. For comments, it's gonna work in same way. Like if you choose two, it will go to each group and will comment on their top two posts, and will go to next group and in same way as we have already tested. So let's go in group posters. Here you can add your media type. If you want to just upload image, you can add that here. And again, you can add your message here that you want to post as post. So here I think we don't need this hey name type because we're gonna do this post in a group. So as here we have same option again, after how many posts account should rotate to second account. So as we have added two, so like it gonna do two processes from first, then rotate to second, third, and like this. We have delay time, we have sleep mode, and let's go in post in groups. We have here option to join groups as well. Like in same way you can extract groups and you can join them, but for now as we are just showing the important parts, so we did all our settings, and now let's go in post in groups. As we are using here double thread again, so it is opening two browsers. As you can see, it open up a post, edit our image, our text, and post it into this group. Same it gonna did here. In report, you're gonna see in real time what exactly happened to that post. As we did this post, that already removed automatic from group, so it's gonna give you state here as well, like as well as for example we have added here a message that post was automatically removed. So here we are using like a post id link as well. In here the post is in pending, so it will show in report here that this post is pending. This was approved and removed because maybe the group does not allow new members to directly post into it after few days, so you can join these groups and then try to post in it. So for now it will keep going to next groups. Okay, and we'll keep posting our stuff into it that we want to post. This is again in pending. This is published. As you can see, it will show here that this post is approved and post is successfully published. Now this is actually a great way to know those groups are totally allow us to do post without even joining. So like you can download report from here in a txt file, and like those are just totally allowing you keep posting in those groups. So in this way, if you will found some groups those are totally allowing you to publish, that would be I think a lot time saver, as we gonna post in Facebook. If anyone will search as they are public groups, so our post will be on top, as well our post won't be removed by any group admin or anyone, because that is already published. So I think this is again a great way to do. Now let's go for our next option. Okay, now the next and very important option that we just added into this tool is to extract friends of any ID. Like as you can see, we have extracted all 8 friends of this account. And to do wall posts on their profiles, like this is a great way to connect with a lot of people, because when we send message it just go to them and no one else can see. When we do comment, only those people can see, those gonna open their post comment. But the wall poster is the only thing, if you will do this, if you will use this formula for your friends on Facebook, those are friend of that one account, they gonna see that post as well. So like as we have selected our account, rotate between accounts is not good. I will show you why I have added this. And as you can see here, a option use saved friend list. This is for that. You have to just select that account you have extracted friends from, because it's gonna work for that account that have these people in friend list. So we select that account, we added our image, we added our text here, and let's go with wall posting. You can use this option again for sending friend requests and a lot of stuff as well, but for now let's go with wall posting for this account, because we have extracted friends of this account. And this option will only work because this account has these people those we have extracted as friend. It won't work with multiple accounts, so you have to work with just one. But this option I will explain when we will go in use saved friend list. For now let's start wall posting, or let's remove top 2 accounts and let's do wall posting. Because I forgot to record previously, I have already done to those 2 posts, those 2 profiles, that's why I removed them. So now as you can see, we have added our text, we have added our image. While sending messages to these people or comment on their post is like the message they only can see, the comment only those people can see, those gonna open comment of that post. But these posts are like special. When we do this, every one of this person friends can see this post. So it is very important and very useful thing to do with your friend timelines. So like as you're gonna use just specific accounts, so for that I think you can send friend requests to multiple people and extract like do their wall posting and a lot of stuff I think you can do with this tool. So for now let's stop it. I will explain when we will go with use saved stuff in more detail. Let's stop function. The next option we have into this tool is account warmer. Like you can select multiple account, you can set up duration in minutes. Like first account should be warmed for 5 to 10 minutes, then second, then third, and after 5 messages it should sleep for like 10 minutes, and then again do for same for 5, and that kind of stuff. Like it will go and watch their videos and everything. Like it is very simple. It will warm up these accounts to do activities from these accounts. Okay, now let's go in logs. Here we have report option, same like you're gonna get status, link and state. You can export in txt file, and you can save in your PC. Let's for example go and save it here, and you will see like that post gonna be shown in this way, like account name, id, status, and link and state. So everything is fine. The next option we have here is login account. That is very simple. You're gonna add here account name as I have added Adnan 12123. In this way you just add account, login account, and manually login your account here, because I have removed that automatic login because that was creating issues for some accounts, so I removed that. So you have to do this part totally manual now. As well, if you want to use proxy for fixed proxies for each account, that you can add here proxy ip and port and login account, and it would be working fine. Okay, in setting you can set up, if like as I added these accounts, these 4 accounts, didn't add any proxy for these, so it is showing here. I can like put here IP or port and save setting anytime I want to update their proxy IP or port. It's totally up to me. The next option we have, like you can use this software, like you can select account, and then you can extract page chats from that account, and if you will check send messages via page, it will send messages to that page, like those people, they have connected you on that page, and that is like another way to use. I will explain in a single video so this option, but for now I think it's okay. Now let's move to next option that we have, that is more features. Okay, so this feature we recently added into this tool, that those accounts 40 or 50 accounts, those you added into this tool, you can select all and perform a specific action. For example, we want to go to this post and we want to like this post and comment on this post. Our comment text gonna be this one, and let's go with comment. As we have selected our all account, we can select here like how many threads we want to open. It's mean like how many browser will at a time run, and it will divide this whole work into those many threads, and like it will work in that way. So let's start. As you can see, it opened 5 different browsers, open that specific post, that link I have added there, and as you can see, it liked that post and added our comment there. Once after adding comment, it will go for that much delay time that we have added here, like 10 to 20 seconds. So a random delay time. After delay time, it will close and will open another account to do same activity. As you can see, from each account, it is liking that post and leaving a comment. So as you can see, all our likes are being increased here, and our comments are totally fine. So in this way actually it gonna like do multiple actions from our like one action from our multiple accounts to like one post or comment on that post. Now I will show you other feature as well. So I think I should just stop. Let's stop it. So as you can see here, it is already 134 or plus likes, like 10 or 20 accounts likes been increased. So anyway, other option we have here to reply comments of any specific post. For example, we have this one post and this is our comment. This is our reply, like for example. Now as we comment on that profile, now we want to reply comments from these all accounts, and we want to reply three comments from each profile. So let's start it. Now one by one it will open comments from each profile, will reply to those comments we have on that post. These all are those comments we recently did from our second account, like all those accounts to this one post. As we added here, we want number of comment reply from each profile is 3, so it will reply to 3 comments. Then we'll close. Browser after like that specific delay time that we added. As you can see, reach 3 replies from this profile. Moving to next account, and now we'll open another account and will reply to will skip these 3 comments we have already replied to, and will move to next 3 comments to reply them. So as you can see, it goes for next comment. So it left those comments we have already replied, goes for next one. So like in this way it gonna work. I think it's fine. We should stop now. Otherwise it will go one by one from each account and will reply to all comments of this specific post. In this way it gonna work. Let's stop function. Now the other option we have in this tool, that is like you can again select multiple accounts or all accounts and follow one page, or like that specific page from these all accounts, like it is for follow or unfollow. So for example, we want to open 5 threads at a time, and I have here 30 to 40 accounts, and I want to follow this one page ID, that is even our own page. So let's see if it's gonna work or not. So as you can see, it opened that page, and like that specific page. And after that proper delay time, we'll move to next account. As you can see, the likes for 104, now it's 107. Okay, it liked from here, it liked from here, it liked from here. So in this way, it will be going one by one from each account, and will follow one specific account that we want to follow. So as you can see, we got 110 likes, like mean 6 accounts already like that account, that page. So let's close these all. So okay, so in this way you can again perform multiple actions, use multiple account and perform one kind of action from all those accounts. Now we have come to last feature of this tool, and very important and game changing, that you can extract friends of those your selected accounts and save in tool. Like before, you was extracting friends from a specific account, and then you was selecting that account, that only one account, to send messages as they are friend of just that account. So there was not a proper automation in it. Now we have added that. You can go in more features and fetch and save and fetch friends. Now you can save these all accounts friends in software. Like as you can see, it has extracted these all and saved for this account, saved for this account, saved for this account, and saved for this account. So now these friends we have specifically saved in software. Now for example, if we want to send a message, let it close properly. Okay, now if we want to send message, instead we fetch accounts here and send message, we can just select here use saved friend list, and we want to send message from each account from 0 friend to 2. Like it will go check if this account has friends, this one, this one, this one, that one would have friends, then it will send to like from 2 0 to 2. Like for example, if I would I sent for now 2 from 0 to 2, and next time I want to send from 2 to 4, if you will just add here 2, so it's mean it will go from here 2 to next 2 and will send messages to next 2, and then like in this way you can manage yourself. So for example, we want to send messages to like from 0 to 2 of friends of all these accounts, and for that we can again upload our image. We can add our text here, and let's check setting again, everything is okay. So let's send messages to these. Now as you can see, I didn't scrap anything. I just gonna send message to friend list of these accounts. Now as you can see, it open for this account their friend id, for this account its friend id. So now it will send message to the friend of that account. So as we have added from 0 to 2, it's mean it gonna send two messages from each account to first two friends of each account. I will give like another example. Maybe after sending this we can send again to give you a more proper example. So as after send message to this, it is waiting for next message. So as it sent from that account too, and now we are moving to next account from next Facebook account. So as you can see, it sent for this account two messages of its first two friends, and then close the browser and open for another account as we have selected here 4. So in that way it's gonna work now. I don't know if I'm explaining correctly, but the meaning is that this can be useful. So for example, we have sent successfully messages to all four from all four accounts. This one left. So it's mean now you don't have to fetch friends of each account manually from here, like from here, then send messages by selecting that specific account. You can select all your accounts here and fetch all accounts friends and save in software. So next time, for example, now we have sent to these first two friends of this id. Now we want to send again after 2 to 2, like mean now we have sent already to 2 people. Now we want to send after those two accounts. So for that, let's start it again. Now you will see it will open again a new browser, like now as you can see, it open the next two friends of each browser. So it's gonna work in this way. Same we can go with wall poster, like if we want to post posters or our content on our friends profiles, then we can again use save friend list, and we can add, for example, we want to do posters from 4 to next to mean from 4 to 6 accounts we want to post on their profile. So we again added our tags, and we added our text here, we added our image, and we want to start wall posting. Now it will like keep opening browser a friend of each account, and will post our text and picture that we have added. So it's posted successfully. As you can see, it will updated in report now. So as you can see, this post has been successfully posted to this account. So actually the wall posting only gonna work when you gonna use friends, so not for like every account but for friends. So like mean you can extract users, then you can send friends from here, friend request is from here, and once they accept, then you can do wall posts on their profile, or even you can send messages to them, or you can do comment on their profile. So like there is a lot of ways to connect with people now. So this was all about friend, fetch friend and save friends, and then send messages or do wall posts. Now we have here another option, that is like we can fetch groups as well in same way. First we was like have to go here and scrap join group from one account, and then we was selecting that account and like posting in those groups. Now you can do this stuff automate as well. So like you're gonna go here in more features, save and fetch, select account and fetch groups. Now it will open one by one all IDs. I don't have any group in all these 4 accounts, so 00 got saved. Let me open other one. So deselect, and let's go with these 2 accounts for now. Let's go. So as for example, we have 3 accounts, and here we have 27 groups. Those we have joined from that uh, ID. Now it open those groups and start fetching. For this account it fetch 3 accounts, for this one 27. Now it will retry 1 or 2 times and will save. As you can see, 3 friends saved. Here 27 friends has been saved. Now let's try wall posting. Now here it's same again, we're gonna use saved group list. Like it is not going anywhere. Once even if you close or open browser, it's gonna saved forever. So you can, like for example, first day post in 2 groups, second day you choose next 2, and third day you choose next 2. So in this way, like you can keep engaging with those all groups those you have joined from a specific account. So in this way, like it would be work perfectly fine for those groups those you will first you are just fetching public groups and selecting rotation and posting in them. Now it is like more beneficial that you can save friend join groups of each account, and even rotate between them as well. You can control them that in that much groups we want to post from each our account. So here again we're gonna add our image. Here we're gonna add our text. and we will go in post in groups. Now as this, there is one more thing that you need to see, that now from one account we had only three groups, and from second there were 27. Now it will automatic close after one post because there is no more groups, and in that it was had 27. It will post to second group as well, as we have like selected here from um, 2 to 3 4, mean it will gonna go for 2 to 4 groups. So as 3 1 don't have another, so it gonna automatic close, but that one have 2 to 4, mean proper 2 groups IDs, it will go for next account for that account as well. As you can see, the other one got closed and this group is opening for second post as well. So this is how it gonna work. So mean this is now a complete tool that has, I think for now, everything that you may need. So I hope you would like the video. If you want to purchase the tool, you would found contact information in description. You can contact there and made purchase. Have a nice day.